How to connect mobile phone to laptop with USB cable. If you find this video helpful, drop a like and subscribe.
I have my Samsung S25 Ultra right here. It's connected via USB-C cable to my PC right here. So all I want to do if I want to transfer any of my photos and videos is obviously connect it. And bear in mind, this works with any phone. So just connect your phone to your PC via a cable. Then all you want to do is once it's connected, like let's say on this phone, swipe down on notifications, you're going to see USB file transfer. So just go ahead and click on that. Then you can tap for other USB options. Just make sure transferring files is enabled. It says USB, use USB for transferring files. Again, make sure that's enabled. And then all you want to do on your PC side of things is go and search photos. So then once you search up the photos application, you just want to go ahead and click on it. So I'm going to open it up right now. It looks like this for me, but what I want to do is on the top right, I'm going to see the little import button. Go ahead and click on that. Then you're going to see connected devices, my S25 Ultra right there. Go ahead and click on it, and then from here you can import anything you want to your PC, and then you'll be good to go.